Dinner needs to be ready in a couple of minutes and there's no cheese in sight. What are you going to do? Oh, I know what you're going to do. It's time to break out the pet egg. That's right, it is a cheese grater specifically designed to get that cheddar right off your feet. No more peeling away with the potato peeler, no more hacking away with the hacksaw. You need something with a little more surface area, something that doesn't make quite the mess, something that gets right in between those toes and gets the feta right out of there. No. It just rolls away the cheese. It just picks it up like dough. It's disgusting. I mean, look at the provolone on that motherfucker. You need to get that shit off of there. It's gonna go great with your spaghetti. It's gonna go great with a casserole, whatever you're making. It's ergonomic. Look at all that shit you got on there before. Have a fucking fondue party. I just love cheesing myself off with my friends. It's a great way to spend quality time, and I look fabulous in my dress. I just love getting there real deep like and just getting the Gorgonzola right off of there. Hell, I'm a Gorgonzola fiend.
I love using the pet egg on my feet all the time. It's great because I got a lot of pepper jack and a lot of provolone on there. I need to get out of there.
All this for just $10. But wait! We'll also throw in another one so you can do both your feet at the same time. And while you're at it, get some of this marinating sauce. It makes that shit grow on twice as hard. Look at that. There's some feta right there. You know, you're not the only thing looking good. You know, so is the casserole. And that's what the pet egg's all about.